Okay, this video had somebody wanting to send me out a Bluetooth dongle style scan tool. So it's the Mucar. I guess you can see it right there. BT200 Max. So let's get it opened and check it out, right? All right, I got the package, the wrapper off of here. As you can see, pretty cool packaging. Bunch of instructions and comes in a little case. That's pretty cool. I like that. So let me get all this out of here, read through it, and come back. All right, I'm in the truck. I don't know if you can see this down here. Can you see this on my knee? Right here. I got the Mucar, what is it, BT 200 Max plugged in. I got it plugged into my bypass cables. Now I will say, when I first turned on the app, it said that this is a security gateway module vehicle, and you got to log into Chrysler. I don't know what the deal is with that. I wouldn't be logging into Chrysler or AutoAuth with the bypass cables. It should just bypass it. Shouldn't even recognize that it has a security gateway module unless it's something to do with the VIN. I'm not sure, but it recognized the VIN and it's doing special functions. So I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Probably not. That just unlocked the passenger door. Let's go back. Hopefully you can see all this. Let's hit back. Now let's do the driver door. Unlock it. Takes a second to communicate with it. Now listen for it. You see, it just unlocked it. Should be able to lock it though. I don't understand why it won't do that. All right. Now, for some reason, it should be turning these on. These are the map lights. It says reading lights, but it's turning the vanity mirror lights on. But here we go. Let's look. Hope you can see this phone. You see it turn them on? You see them right there? They're on. And the right one's on. So let's turn them off. You should, there you go. I was going to say you should see them cut off in a minute. Okay, I had to log into my AutoAuth account. Now, for some reason, this scan tool will not work with the security gateway module, the SGM, disconnected and bypassed. Let me set this right here. It should, but for some reason it doesn't. It's probably because it's going by VIN and the VIN says it has it. So it's not recognizing that it's disconnected and bypassed using the cables, because I tried that earlier. I'll show you later on in the video. Anyway, so I had to create an AutoAuth account and I just had to log into it. So I didn't do that on camera because, you know, security, right? So let's go, hold on, let me go back. Now, health report. I don't know if you can see this, you probably can't, but it says health report, system scan, system selection. Health report, that checks for your DTCs if you have any on your vehicle. I don't know if I do or not. I shouldn't, but we'll check in a minute. System scan is just each system, and then system selection is the systems that the vehicle has. So let's hit health report. I guess hit OK. Wait, I guess I got to collect or select one of these that says active, pending, or stored. Okay. It says please turn on the ignition. The ignition is on. You should already know that. I don't know if you can see this or not. as you can see, it's kind of slow. We'll see. It's scanning all the systems. Body control module, transmission control module, instrument panel. So far, there's no DTCs in any of them as far as I've seen. All right, it's done. It's kind of slow, but it is what it is with it being an app. It's the $Fix app, works with this scan tool with ThinkCar. Now, MooCar is, I guess, a division of ThinkCar. Anyway, powertrain control module, and there's no faults in any of it. Hopefully. Nope. Security gateway, no faults. All right. Can't clear anything because there ain't anything to clear. System scan. Let's see what that does. That tells you all the systems that the vehicle has. Hopefully we can go into one of them and see what it's doing. I don't know why it just asked me to log in again. I may have to again. I don't know. We'll see. It's at 65%. I don't know if you can see that or not. It is a little on the slow side, but then again, it is scanning a whole bunch of different modules. So let's go in the BCM, body control module. Let's see what it does. Or see what we can do. You can clear fault codes, read codes, module information, read data stream, and what I just, actuation test. Let's see what we can do. I already did some of this. I'm not going to do it again. But as you can see, you can actuate the front washers, the wipers, horn, all kind of things. Hopefully you can see that. And you'll just have to go through the app, and you should be able to do this in every module. Even though the last time I tried it, the transmission control module in the PCM, it wouldn't do. Let's see if we'll do it this time. See, it says ECU file download failed. No network or no connection. No, there's a network, and I know it's connected because it works on the other ones. So I don't understand that. So now all you can do is read fault codes and clear fault codes. That's kind of weird with the SGM not bypass, but unlocked with my auto off account. So I'm going to have to get with them and find out what's going on with that. I don't know what. Let's see. Let's go instrument panel and see what happens there. Same thing. It's got actuation test. I don't know why I don't have that with the PCM. Matter of fact, let me go back. I didn't do transmission control. So let's try it. Last time I tried it, it didn't work. It says file download failed. That doesn't make any sense. Now all it'll do is read fault codes and clear fault codes. I thought maybe it did that the last time because I had the truck running with the AC on, so I'm not sweating too bad. But truck is not running right this minute, which is kind of weird. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out about that. It tells you 12 volts. It's supposed to have some AI stuff, which is pretty cool. What you can do is you can put in, like if you have a DTC code, let's just put in P0305. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's populating a whole bunch of stuff. Tells you what it is, what the 305 means, possible causes. Here's your repair guide, component test from there to there. And of course, you know, everybody knows what a P0305 is. That's a cylinder 5 misfire. And if you look right there, it tells you cylinder 5 misfire. So that's pretty cool. And it tells you how to repair it or what to check, the common symptoms. That's pretty cool, you know, in case you need some kind of assistance on what to repair, what to check, and you don't have access to vehicle information or data, you know, like identifix or whatever. So that's pretty cool. I like that. You know, unless you're a shop, you're not going to have access to vehicle specific diagnostic information, you know, like wiring diagrams and explanations on what this code does, what it takes to set the code and all that, the criteria. So that AI part of this is pretty cool. If you see right here, that was the AI. That if you tap that, that brings up where you can type in whatever kind of DTC code you have if you need information on. And down there is a chat bot, the AI chat bot, where you can chat with people or put in what your vehicle's doing, and somebody can answer you that, you know, that has this app. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the good thing about this, here it is right here in case I forgot to show you. It has a light right there that tells you it's connected. Tells you all the information on it. Moo car, BT 200 max. Like I said, it has the AI error code analysis, simplifies the diagnostics with intelligent fault code interpretation. Third-party app compatibility, works with any app supporting the ELM 327 protocol. That's pretty cool. Overspeed and coolant temperature alerts, real-time monitoring for safe driving. And it says smart sleep mode. No need to unplug this thing. I don't know why you'd want to drive around with it hooked up all the time. I mean, you know, sometimes you need to drive around if you're going to be diagnosing something, like a wheel speed sensor or something like that, you know, where you need to be moving. But you know, it's more or less designed for the DIY enthusiasts that don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a full-fledged scan tool. Now, this is bi-directional, like I was showing. You can it won't do what a whole you know, a full-size scan tool will do, as far as the bi-directional controls, being able to you know, like tell your windows to go up and down and all this other stuff. It'll do some of it, but it may not do all of it, depending on your vehicle. And if you got the security gateway module like this one does, you may have problems, like I was. But I mean, you know, professionals can use this too because it's quick. Well, it's supposed to be quick anyway. I don't know if it's the app or if it's the tool, or it's probably the app. But at least you don't have to drag out a whole big old scan tool, because everybody always carries their phone with them anyway. So you just carry this, plug it in, connect your phone, and there you go. But you do have to have an auto auth account to use this. You do have to have, you can't even see me. Anyway, we'll put it back over there. You do have to have the auto auth account for this to work on Chrysler vehicles that's got the security gateway module, because, well, at least on this truck, this is a 2020 Ram, this does not work by using the 12/8 bypass, 12+8 bypass cables, and by disconnecting the SGM and plugging those in, and then you plug this into it. So I don't know what the deal is there. Like I said, it may be that it's recognizing that this, according to the VIN, this vehicle has it, and this tool is requiring an auto auth account. and it's not recognizing that the SGM has been bypassed. But the good thing about this, and if I ain't mistaken, all of their scan tools, or at least some of them, you'll have to check, but I know on this, has free lifetime updates. So that's pretty cool. Unlike some of the other ones, I have a different brand. I'm not going to mention any names, but I have a different brand, one of these. I tried to use it the other day, and of course it's out of date and it wouldn't work. It told me to pay for an update, and I don't remember what it was, but I wasn't going to pay for the update because I had this. But anyway, I think this is like 79 bucks, so that's a pretty good price. Full system diagnostics. It has 15 maintenance resets, and if I can find it, I'll put up a picture and show you. So this is pretty cool. It does work with the auto off, but some of the features doesn't work. So let's get back in the garage. And okay, like I said, this thing works on, you see it right there, dollar fix. You gotta find that app in your app store. Now it'll work on Apple and Android, so it's not hard. You just follow the steps. It's got plenty of them. Let's see, 1 through 11. Just follow the steps, and of course it comes with another one. Just got, well, god darn, all kind of different languages in it, so that's good, I guess. So what you do, once you tap on this on the app, of course the tool has to be plugged into your vehicle. Now I don't know if it'll work this far away or not. It might, just like a regular scan tool. The Bluetooth, it works off Bluetooth. So yeah, as you can see right there, it says not connected because the tool is somewhere. I must have left it in the truck. No, it's right here. Tool's right here. Pretty simple. As I use it more, I will get used to using the app, and I'll let everybody know what it will do and won't do. But for right now, it seems to be all right. I need to find some different vehicles other than Chrysler products with the SGM module, so I can see exactly what all it'll do. And I need to find out why it won't give you any kind of special functions or anything like that on the PCM module or the traction or transmission control module. It will on most all the other ones that I checked, but it will not on them two. It says that it failed to download the file, whatever that means. I'll find out. Did I mention that this is only 79 bucks? At the time of this filming anyway, 79 bucks. So that's a pretty good deal. It ain't too expensive if you need something to, diagnose your car a little bit, tell you what's wrong with it, the codes anyway, and take it from there. If you want to get one of these, there'll be a link down there in the description. Not sure if I'll have a direct link or not, or just an Amazon link, but it'll be in the description either way. If you want to pick one of these up, I'd appreciate it if you use the link. It helps me out a little bit. Don't cost you anything extra. That's all I got for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.